Feels really nice, guys. Like massaging your face. Alright, it stopped already. Hey guys, Tara here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to do a first impression review on NUSKIN's AgeLoc LumiSpa. This has been on my wish list for the longest time, and I am so happy that I finally have one. And so, if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm here to pack it on. Alright guys, so before I finally use it, let me just give you a little bit of information that I got from their website about this product. So LumiSpa basically is a skin perfecting treatment. It stimulates the skin using their proprietary micropulse oscillation technology. This precise motion and frequency help promote dynamic skin renewal, revealing smoother, softer skin after just one use. AgeLoc LumiSpa is a waterproof and rechargeable handheld personal skincare device. Used together with a specially formulated LumiSpa treatment cleansers, it simultaneously treats and cleanses the face. Its gentle, non-abrasive silicone surfaces contain antimicrobial silver and are more hygienic than brushes commonly used with skincare devices. Their sophisticated design helps to maximize product efficacy while making skin more receptive to subsequent products applied to the skin. It features 5 treatment cleanser options designed for different skin types. They have dry, normal combo, oily, sensitive, and blemish prone. 1 step, 2 minutes, 7 skin benefits. In just 1 step for 2 minutes twice a day, you can promote these 7 dramatic skin benefits that will intensify as you continue to use your LumiSpa. Now this has a lot of benefits. However, I cannot respond to all of its claims just yet because again, this is going to be the first time that I will be using it. However, it says right here that it provides, I have my notes right here, it provides instant benefits so skin feels softer and smoother after just one use. We'll find out. So softer and smoother. Alright, and by the way guys, this retails at $14,000 and you already get the gadget and the treatment cleanser. For the cleanser alone, it retails at $2,400. You can purchase this online through their website, or if you know any NUSKIN member, and if you are from Cebu, they have a center at Cebu Business Park. Alright, so let's start using it. Please bear with me guys because again, this is the first time I will be using it. I am not familiar. By the way, I do not have any makeup on my face right now or anything whatsoever, not even kilay. I know kilay is life, but anyhow, let me just check the manual because I don't know how to use this just yet. So I have mine in normal combo, by the way. So okay, there. It smells really good, right? All over my face, here, nose. Right? After that, wet treatment head. So this is the treatment head. So I'm going to wet it. After it, slowly glide the treatment head back and forth over face using broad strokes. So no worries, guys, because the instructions are right here. So let's start. Here. Wow, my hair. It smells really nice. Just move closer so that you can see. It says right here, it will pause quickly 3 times every 30 seconds to prompt you to move from one area of the face to the next. All right. I have a pimple, guys. Can you see it? So it usually shows up when my monthly visitor shows up. Eye bags, guys. Tungod jud ni sa K-drama. Feels really nice, guys. Like massaging your face. Alright, stop already. Right here. Device will stop after your treatment is complete and will turn off automatically. So, very easy to use. So after this, rinse your face and pat dry. Alright, and we are done. Alright, let me just... So in cleaning this, by the way, you can just remove it and voila. Right? But we'll go into that on my full review after using this for a month or 2, we'll see. So guys, I will definitely do a full review on this one. I will show you if there are any like dramatic results. What? Optimal results. So pat dry. Okay. Let's see, guys, if my skin got smoother and softer. Alright. Moment of truth. So, let me just focus that. Okay. So, my skin feels softer, definitely, and it feels very supple. Like, and I feel ni lighten, ni brighten on skin. It feels really nice, feels really good, and humot kay siya. Alright guys, wow! So first impression review, leave or love at first sight. Like, what? I love it. And I really hope that this product lives up to all the claims. So yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. So if you have any questions, drop a comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, please don't forget also to click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I have new videos. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. See you on the next one. Bye!